Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to my channel. So today I have lots of new things. In case you can't tell, I have a new background, so I'm testing it out. I really love glitter. So I'm gonna see if it's not too distracting, if I can leave that up. Second new thing is the Macy's beauty box. So I mentioned this in a previous video, so I think with the timing of the subscription, I must have purchased it right after the one in January came out, and then didn't get it till February, so that's why it was missing. But I got it now, so we can compare. As you can see, this box is unopened, so I haven't checked out what's inside, but I will say I cheated on my Ipsy bag. They do send you an email like the first week of the month that says you can get a sneak peek of what's in your bag, so I did do that, so I know what some of the items in here are, but I have no idea what's in the Macy's box. So we'll open them both up, see what products are in there, and kind of compare the two and see maybe which one I like better. All right, so I am going to jump into Ipsy first. This is the bag this month. It is a really light pink with a black lace. It's super pretty and chic, and it kind of goes with the whole, you know, February theme, looking a little lingerie-ish. Outside of the bag that did not fit inside are these facial masks. These are from bioBELLE, and it says they are 5-minute facial masks, enhances radiance and minimizes pore and evens your skin tones. It is a sheet mask that has tea tree oil and rose hip extract and vitamin C. So it looks like these are primer masks, so you're supposed to leave them on like a sheet mask for just 5 minutes before starting your daily makeup routine, and then you can just take it off. You're good to go. You don't have to wash it off after, and you can apply your makeup as normal. Opening the bag. The second item we have from TRESTIQUE is this eyebrow pencil. It's a mini eyebrow pencil in the color Swiss Chocolate. It looks like the tip is quite defined for detailed eyebrow work. I very lightly swatched that, and it is super creamy and pigmented. Next up, we have this brush from LUXIE. It is a double-sided eyeshadow brush. It's the LUXIE 249. So it looks like one end is a blender brush for like the transition shade, and then the other is like a fluffy crease brush. I love LUXIE brushes. I've actually gotten a few through Ipsy, and they are really nice quality brushes, and these handles with the pink and rose gold are just so cute, and I can always easily identify them in my mass cup of brushes. Next we have this matte liquid lip paint from MELLOW, and this is in the color, I believe it's pronounced Tehran, T-E-H-R-A-N. The nude from MELLOW is the perfect shade of nude. I absolutely love it. I tend to grab more of like a mauve-y undertone for my nudes, but this is a pretty true nude, and I guess a little bit on the side of brown, and I just absolutely love it. I'm going to be working this into my everyday routine. There is the swatch. The last item from the Ipsy bag this month is the PACIFICA Beach Crystals, and you can see it has really beautiful holographic detail of like gems, and it says that it's 100% vegan and cruelty-free, so that's awesome. And then here are the shades on the inside. So it looks like we have some purples and just some kind of nudes here. There are the 3 swatches. We have kind of a gold, kind of a mauve silver, and kind of a bright purple lavender there. And there are the colors on my hand. They look really pretty and super pigmented. I will list all of the items, either full size or if you can buy the mini versions. I'll have them in the description box down below, so you can either buy them or try them for yourselves. On to the Macy's box. Inside the Macy's box, they include a little pamphlet that actually has the items listed. The items listed and a description and a picture of all the items, and then you actually get a $5 off coupon if you purchase anything from the beauty section of Macy's. In this box, you get 6 items instead of 5 from Ipsy, but it is a little bit more expensive. It's $15 instead of the Ipsy, which is $10. but you're getting a $5 coupon to makeup, and you get an additional product. So there are benefits. We'll see how the products turn out. The bag that it comes in says believe in your #selfie. The first item is from DIOR, and it is the DIOR Lip Glow Backstage Star Color Review Lip Balm, and on the back it says DIOR Glow Squad. The colors included are the 001 Pink, the 101 Matte Raspberry, and their 010 Hollow Pink. So this one has a little bit of sparkle in there. So for the DIOR lip glow kit, I tried out the Matte Raspberry, and I expected it to be a little bit more of a lipstick, and it's actually a like tinted balm. So it's really moisturizing, and it just gives you kind of a glow on your lips like you just bit into a strawberry. Next up we have the IT Cosmetics Cleanser. And it says, this cleanser and serum in one gently melts away dirt, oil, and even long-wearing makeup while helping to hydrate and balance your skin. Next up we have from Philosophy this Eye Fix Power Treatment. So this is for your under eye area with anti-aging treatment. Next up we have this I'm Real Rose Sheet Masks from, I believe it's TONYMOLY. I'm sorry if I'm butchering that. And this is a hydrating sheet mask that is supposed to provide revitalizing energy to tired skin. I can definitely use this right now, so I can't wait to break into this. Next up, we have this Fake Awake from Tarte Cosmetics. It is a new gel eyeliner that you're supposed to put in your waterline to make your eyes look more awake and brighten. Let's try it out right now. I could use a little lift, yeah? Do my eyes look more awake? This is a trick that you can use to brighten up your eyes and make them look more awake. And last but not least, we have this Floral perfume from Coach. Let's spray it. Spray it and try it. I actually really like this. That smells really good. Really good. If you like kind of a floral scented perfume, and normally I'm not someone who loves floral scents, but this is perfectly like fresh. It's not overpowering. And it doesn't give you a headache. Sometimes those floral perfumes give me an instant headache, but this smells really good. I like this. All right, that is all I have for today's unboxing, Ipsy versus Macy's, but it's hard to compare them without trying all the products. But what I will say with the Macy's box is it's $5 more, but you are getting a $5 off coupon to beauty. So if you are using some of these makeup subscriptions because you're interested in trying out products and then purchasing them yourself, this gives you a $5 coupon to go purchase those items. So, you know, every dollar can help. And you do also get 6 items in the Macy's box. So you get 1 bonus item and you get a $5 gift card, but it is $5 more. I really like that they included the card with the descriptions. It also has the full price of each of the items, so it's really easy to reference and see if you want to purchase them. I always leave the full price items down below for my Ipsy unboxing so you can see, but I'll attach those prices as well for the Macy's items. It's hard to make a definitive pick on which one I would pick right now because I am so loyal to my Ipsy, but I did really like the Macy's beauty box. So I will try out some of the items, and next month I'm going to have both of them again, and I'll kind of, you know, get a feel for if one is better than the other, or just give you the pros and cons of each box, and you can decide what might fit best in your lifestyle if you're looking to get one of these subscriptions. So that's it today. I hope you had a great Valentine's Day, enjoyed my new background, and liked the unboxing. See you on the next video. Bye guys.